Hey, this is Alex from Graysand, and in this video I'll show you how to create a driftwood chandelier with soft lighting. The project is easy to do and very economical as we use battery powered string lighting and rustic materials. We somehow managed to complete the project on a Sunday with the help from the Demolition Brothers. What are you two doing? I always forget how helpful the Demolition Brothers are when they are involved in working on projects around the house. They really love to help, but their idea of working usually involves quite a lot of demolition and smashing. No drilling the table. No, I need the drill bits back.
Hey, no it!
Me helping.
This is actually pretty good.
I'm helping, good, I'm helping.
Can you help please?
Demolition boys, come on.
So anyway, the plan was to install this driftwood light beam on a Sunday as a fun project to do together as a family. Continue watching and I'll go through the easy process of turning this piece of driftwood into a nice hanging light feature. Today's project, we're going to hang this piece of driftwood from the ceiling on ropes and attach some lighting to it. So we've got this nice piece of driftwood from the beach, some string lights that will be attached to it. Then we've got some rope, can I have the rope? Some rope and some candle holders. So wish us luck. See how we go. Alright, what do you got? What have you got under there, Louis? Now that the boys are distracted for a minute, I can mark the position of where the driftwood beam is going to hang. Our beam will hang about 500mm in front of an existing ceiling beam. This is going to allow our beam to be hanging over the top of our kitchen table. I mark two parallel positions onto the ceiling and then flick a chalk line to represent the center line of the hanging beam. Next, I measure, locate and mark out the rafter positions in which the rope eyelets are going to screw into. Locating the rafters accurately for the eyelets is important as this is going to be holding the weight of the beam. Once I've marked out the rafter positions, I knock in a nail to confirm I'm going to have a secure fixing. Now the next step is to put up the eye hooks into the ceiling. Are we going to be able to get the rope through?
Yeah.
Yeah, once it's on the ceiling?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it works.
Earmuffs for you guys.
Here we go.
Okay, that's it. To determine the height, I just hold the beam until Jules is happy with how it hangs.
I think that's the perfect height. The table is going to be here and we're sitting, yeah.
That's about 500mm
Yeah, that's
from the
good.
hook.
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yeah, there's a possibility that boys will hang off it, but
No, that's 500mm. We'll do plenty of rope so we can adjust it.
yeah.
I need that color.
Yeah.
Color. I need that.
What I've learned and realised about having young children is that they just want to be involved in everything that we do. It may make things much more difficult at times, but they absolutely love it when we all work together as a family. But if they are left for more than 5 seconds without a direct supervision, they'll use their imaginations to create a fun game for themselves, which can seem to us adults as destruction, which it kind of usually is, but it's really just young children being creative, having fun with their imaginations and trying to help us out. So instead of going crazy, I just try my best to laugh at all the funny things that they do. Once the wire straps have been installed on the ceiling, the batteries from the string lights will need to be rebated into the top of the driftwood beam. As the battery pack is almost the same depth as the driftwood beam, I mark the max depth onto a speed bore and drill holes the width and length of the battery pack. Chisels, hammers and drills are some of the boys' favourite tools, so it doesn't take long for them to come out and help chisel out the timber with me. I try and allow the boys to use all the carpentry tools, but it's definitely kind of stressful having them always wanting to use sharp building tools. I try to make it fun, and we all love to work together as a team.
Don't
snatch though, don't snatch.
No,
It's very sharp.
Watching
No,
my
one at a time, one at a time. Sit back, you can have a go after Koa.
Yeah.
Okay, the sharper it is, the easier it is to use, okay? Okay, use it and chisel the wood. Good chiseling.
Louis, come on.
You want to turn Louis? Okay, swap. No, don't snap. Okay, we do it together. Okay, slowly. Okay. Yeah, chiseling the wood out. Yeah, good working. Hit the chisel. Yeah, you guys are doing it together. That's good chiseling. Okay. Let's put the light box.
Are we going to work inside now?
To attach the string lighting to the driftwood, we place the battery into the rebate, then use a pan head to screw and clamp the other side of the wire into place. As one end of the wire is connected to the beam, I can spin the beam so the string lighting will spiral evenly around the beam. Once all the string lighting is spiraled evenly, I'll add one more extra pan head screw just beside the battery pack to secure all the lighting. So we've survived this far into the project, we're almost there. All that remains now is to get the rope from the buoys and tie the driftwood beam to the ceiling. The plan is to tie one end of the driftwood with a secure knot, run the rope through the ceiling eye straps, and then tie the other end of the rope to the opposite end of the driftwood beam at the desired height. And to make things interesting, the boys have decided to tie my feet together with the other end of the rope. I finally get one side of the rope tied, while my feet have been tied together by the boys. But I still need to try and finish the project to get the other end of the rope off my youngest son. The project is so close to being finished. Just need to hold the driftwood beam to the desired height and tie off the opposite end of the beam. A quick check for level, and then add a couple of candle hanging baskets to finish off the job. Jules is super happy with the new driftwood lighting beam in the kitchen. That was a fun project working together as a family. Thanks for watching, see you next time.